So, you've decided to take a plunge into the exciting world of SQL. Well, let me tell you, it's not as scary as it sounds. SQL stands for Structured Query Language, but don't worry if you don't understand what that means, because half of the people using it don't either. It's like a secret code that only nerds can decipher, and you're about to become one of them. Now, SQL is all about databases and managing data. Think of it as a digital librarian who organizes all your information in neat little rows and columns. It's like having your own personal assistant, but without the constant nagging. With SQL, you can create tables, add data, retrieve information, and even perform some fancy tricks like filtering and sorting. It's like having magical powers over your data. But wait, there's more. SQL is not just about organizing data, it's also about making it talk. You can ask your database questions using SQL queries, and it will obediently respond with the answers you seek. It's like having a conversation with a robot who actually understands what you're saying. And trust me, that's a rare occurrence in this world. Now, I know what you're thinking, but I'm not a computer genius. How can I possibly learn this SQL stuff? Well, my friend, fear not. SQL is designed to be beginner-friendly. It's like riding a bicycle. Once you get the hang of it, you'll wonder why you ever thought it was difficult. So, put on your nerdy glasses and get ready to dive into the wonderful world of SQL. Trust me, it's going to be a wild and thrilling ride.